Thank you for watching videos by Jeff Sibelius and LandAndAirPhotos.com. I wanted to let you know about a big sale going on with DJI right now. It's their summer sale, and they have some really good prices on several of their products. Some of the sales include the Mavic 2 Zoom for $1149, regularly $1249. The DJI Goggles Racing Edition, $449, that's regularly $549. The Mavic Air, and I've told you before that this has been one of the most reliable and consistent drones that I've flown, so I really like the Mavic Air. That one is down to $679 as opposed to regular price $799, and you can get the Fly More combo for the Mavic Air for $879, which is regularly $999. You can also get the Ronin-S standard kit for $649, which is regularly $749. And the Ronin-S Essentials kit, which is a stripped-down version of that, I think, that is $499 as opposed to $559. Finally, you can buy the Tello, the little toy drone from DJI, for $89, which is a $10 savings, or you can get their Boost combo, which is extra propellers and batteries and stuff like that, plus the Tello itself for $129, regularly $149. Anyway, all those sale prices are good through June 16th, so if you want to get them now. Thank you for watching this video. I set up a Facebook group to make it easier for us to talk and arrange opportunities to fly together. Follow the link in the description below to sign up for the group. On screen you'll find links to more videos on how to fly drones, so please check them out. Before you go, be sure to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to this channel so you know when more videos are released. Thanks for watching.